Good morning, everyone. My name is Alexi. You're watching Driving Approach, and this is my new vlog. This is gonna be a sixth vlog. Today is Sunday, May 29th, 6:56 a.m. That's the time currently. And it's 19 degrees Celsius already. It's at 7 a.m. Interesting. Yeah, last vlog that I have posted, temperatures were much lower. Nice bright day. I was editing some of those vlogs yesterday, so tomorrow the first one is gonna be coming out. For you guys, that's already a week ago, so you've already seen my previous vlogs. How are you guys liking them so far?
Not sure how to help with, so you've already seen my previous vlogs.
Google is listening all the time, and when I'm talking about vlogs, Google thinks it's about himself or herself, when I'm actually about myself, when I'm actually talking about myself. It's still early, so I still lose some words here and there. Yeah, roads are nice and empty on a Sunday morning. Yeah, many things changed since last video. I'm in a different car, 2022 Hyundai Elantra now, with the Ultimate Tech package. You probably would have seen some TikTok or Instagram videos about this car that I've posted already, but maybe not. My favorite turn, as you have probably learned from previous videos. We are approaching it again, but at 7 a.m. it's not my favorite turn. It's just a regular turn left on a major street. Peace and quiet. I would need to install new GoPro mounts in this car so that I can easily just put it right here and drive. Well, right now it's gonna fall at any moment, and hopefully I'll catch it before that. That's why you need a GoPro mount, so it will stand by itself. But for today it's like this. Well, and as we have just learned, it's not gonna stand by itself. Empty parking lots. Beauty. Whoa, it's actually 16 degrees now. It dropped down. It was warmer in the underground parking. So it's not that warm yet. Not that warm. Another black down the Elantra. Nice. Hello everyone. My day is still going well. It's already 7:34. And like usual, I'm already done with it. Here, let's start up the car. That's better. Lol. Yeah, I need to get some breakfast because otherwise I'm still gonna be sleepy. Let's see if I can start the car without GoPro falling. Well, I started it without it rolling, but I mean like go from stationary to some speed without it falling. I know you guys understood me. Ooh. It's gonna fly off any moment. Still holding. It's still a peaceful Sunday. That didn't change yet. Hopefully it's gonna be like that for another couple of hours. And this is a turn where GoPro is gonna fly. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it feels like I'm still in a dream. I didn't decide if it's a nightmare yet or a nice dream. Empty parking lots. Tim Hortons is saving the day once again. Much better. Now I'm ready to sleep. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna have my breakfast, continue with my day, and I'm gonna film some stuff later on. Same day, different time. Oh, by the way, I'm actually filming in the linear mode again, and it's linear, wide, and extra wide. Those are the three modes. And then I think linear, you can zoom in and out, so this is the most zoomed out. And then the wide is just wide, and super wide is just super wide. So those are the three modes that the GoPro has, and those are the modes that I was using for the first vlog, second and third, when I was trying to compare them. So you guys can go watch them and check out the different angles. So this one would be the same as in the first vlog. It's a linear mode. There. Other than that, well, if I think of something else to say, I'll say it. Oh, and by the way, guys, write in the comments what would you like me to talk about during those videos. Maybe more about personal stuff, maybe more about cars, or I don't know, reviewing more stuff what's on the road or around me. I don't know. Give me some ideas, please. That would be really appreciated. No mounts. It's 8:50 a.m. now. Still 16 degrees. Nothing much changed yet, as you can see. Not that I expected any change. Remember how peaceful and quiet it was at 7 a.m. and 7:30, and how there were no cars? Well, it's already changing little by little. As you can see, way more cars. Another one right here. And way more people. Yeah. Well, Sunday. It's only gonna get busier and busier from now on. But it was nice. It was nice and quiet. I like it when it's empty on the roads. Hello everyone, I'm back. My day's still going well. Traffic light camera ahead. Okay, let's turn on everything. There. Now it's gonna steer by itself. Oh my. There's a... Well, that's how my Sunday is still going. Let's set up cruise. We're always at exactly 80. Well, and it's red. And it's of course a red light. Well, I was saying that, as you can see, I still didn't wake up. It's only 10:08 a.m. So it's still morning, still bright. Not super early, but still early, especially for Sunday. And yeah, I'm just tuning in to film some more stuff, especially while I'm driving on Highway 7, where the speed limit is 80. So it's a bit more dynamic filming, or more interesting. Oh, Audi Q3 is leading the way. But we are getting, it's 70 and it's 80 kilometers per hour. Racing in GTA is like this. By GTA I mean Great Toronto Area, for everyone who is not from here or not from Ontario and doesn't know what GTA is. Yeah. Place where I live is called Pretty Cool, just like the game. I wanted to install the mount because I have two in the car, but I didn't take the case for the GoPro that gets mounted to that gets attached to those mounts. Oh, and I think it's going to be another face-off with a Q3 and a Honda CR-V, but after this traffic light. Okay, so cruise control is off. Everything else is off. AC is off, and another takeoff, and the Q3 is not even trying. Oh no, Q3 is trying. Yes, we're gonna catch up to him or her, whoever is driving the car. She's gonna change lanes. Oh no, he's turning left, but I don't need to be in this lane, so it is what it is. Announcement after announcement. This car keeps telling you what's happening. I think it's just telling you that there's this red light camera in this intersection, which indeed it is. And it's green light again. The car has done 966 kilometers already. We currently have provincial elections going on in Ontario, so that's why there are many signs of different candidates from different parties. So for example, here you can see an NDP sign, which is orange, a PC sign, which is blue, and a Liberal sign, which is red. You can also find green signs for the green party, and what else is there? I think I didn't forget anyone else. Well, there are some smaller parties that are not super known that appear here and there. It's like, so you can see some signs of them as well. I've seen a yellow one in like a Thornhill area, and I've seen like a white one with some blue letters in Toronto. So yeah, some info for you guys who are not from here. There are some red signs there. Yeah. Hello everyone, it's me again. It's 11:21 a.m. now. It's much brighter. Well, I don't know, maybe it was the same brightness the last time I tuned in, but it looks much brighter, and the sun is out. It's 23 degrees now, so it warmed up even more, and we're gonna be passing by the parking lot that I was talking about that was empty, and let's see how many cars there are at 11:20 on Sunday. I think it's gonna be almost full, but we'll see. The parking lot is right here. Well, actually no. Oh no, still pretty empty. Well, I guessed it wrong. Well, see you guys later. Hello everyone, it's 12. I think it warmed up even more. Let's check that out. It was 23, I think. Yeah, it was 23. I think it's still showing 23. But it's really hot though. I'm done work for today. It's 11:59, almost exactly at 12. Yeah, so going home now. I'm gonna try to edit. I was saying in the last videos that I'm gonna go edit every time, but I never did. So I'm not gonna promise that now, but I have been editing those videos and I'm gonna post them, and on Monday they're gonna start coming out. You guys, when you're gonna see this video, you would have seen those videos already. My working day is done for today. I don't know if I'll get to film anything else for this vlog. So for now, I'm gonna tell you guys bye, have a good day, and I'll see you next video.